you're ever in the kitchen and you mix liquids together, what do you expect? Usually, they'll just come together and you'll just have one solution of all the mix. Today, we're going to be exploring density. Density is a measure of how many molecules are in a given space. Some things are more dense than others. Corn syrup has more corn syrup molecules within the same given space as water, canola oil, or soap. Here, we will be exploring that.
We're going to start off by adding a bit of food coloring to the water to make it more visible. We're going to start off by putting in the most dense liquid, which is the corn syrup right here. Here, the exact volume of each liquid is not needed to be so precise, as the denser liquids will go to the bottom and the less dense liquids will remain at the top. Next, we will be adding the soap, which is the second most dense. Now we will be adding the oil, so you guys can actually observe how the water will go underneath the oil and the oil will come above it. And now we will be adding the water. As you can see, when we added the water, it went in between the oil and the soap. The most dense liquid was the corn syrup, so that remains at the bottom. Then there's the soap, then there's the water, and then there's the oil.
So, with the initial hypothesis, one could expect that all the liquids would mix together because that's what they've seen in practice throughout their life. Here, in the experiment, we have proved otherwise. So why does it work this way? Corn syrup is the most dense, meaning it has the most mass per its volume. So that sinks to the bottom. You can think of it as a rock being thrown into the lake. The rock, per its volume, is heavier than the same amount of water. So the corn syrup sinks to the bottom. The soap, which isn't as dense as the corn syrup, but denser than the water and oil, goes second to the bottom. Then there's water, and then there is the oil.